Okay, I have a cool original effect to share with you today. Now for this, you need the Ace through Jack of Spades. Okay, so let's go ahead and just randomize these cards the best we can here. Just make sure they're mixed very well. Okay, we'll just kind of, making a mess. Okay, very good. So let's square these up. Now I'm going to perform just an additional mixing here, just left-right. That's always a good way to mix. Stack the larger pile on top of the smaller there. So if you have more than one spectator, this works well. You could turn to one spectator and say, do you have a favorite day of the week? And so they can state what that is. Maybe they'll say Friday. That would be a common one. And then you can turn to a second spectator and say, okay, I'm going to spell out Friday, but we can do it once or several times. You can decide. And so maybe this other spectator may say, do it twice. Okay, and so you would just do F-R-I-D-A-Y. So that's once, F-R-I-D-A-Y. Okay, now you can turn to the same spectator, a new one, and say, what is your favorite day of the week? And maybe they'll say Saturday, which is fine. And you could even turn to a fourth spectator and say, how many times should I spell Saturday? It's your choice. Twice as well. Okay. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Very good, if I can remember how to spell Saturday. Now, note to you as a performer, you can do this randomly choosing any one of the 7 days of the week by spectators and deal out that name as many times as any other spectator would like. You can do that and repeat that until the spectators are absolutely convinced that these cards are just beyond the knowledge of anyone. And then from there, what we're going to do is we're going to use the combined good luck of all of your favorite days of the week, at least those who shared that information with us, to try to find the favorite, or in other words, the most popular spade card among Ace through Jack, okay? And the way we're going to do that is we're going to use a very powerful procedure. In card magic, it's referred to as the down under, but I'm going to use it this way. I'm going to put down a card and say, no, that is not the most popular spade card between Ace and Jack. This one might be. No, maybe, no, maybe, no, maybe, no, maybe, no, maybe, no, maybe, no, maybe. Well, since we only have one left, I think that maybe must be a yes. So I have a written prediction off to the side. So let's just take a look at what I thought the most popular spade card is for a vast majority of people in the world. Okay, so let's just take a look at this prediction here. Okay, you'll finish with the most popular spade card. Well, that's what we're hoping for. The 6 of Spades. Okay, is that the most popular one? Okay, well, let's just take a look here. 6 of wait a second. That's not the 6 of Spades. Something's gone wrong here. Oh, yeah, there is more. Sorry. Let's see what else is said here. Oh, just kidding. Oh, just joking. It's actually the Ace of Spades, of course, which I would agree is the most popular spade card in the entire deck, not just between Ace and Jack. And I think a vast majority of you would agree with me as well. Okay, wow, so how do we do that? Well, I just need to show you a couple of things to be aware of. So you have Ace through Jack, and the Ace is on top, okay? So all you really need to do with the table wash is just keep track of the Ace, the top card. Okay, so we want the top card still on top. Well, it's actually not too hard to do because once you put your finger on it, your finger, especially, if there's a little bit of moisture, it's just going to stick to it. Okay, so you can like move cards around and so forth, so that we know it's right here. There it is. Okay, and so you can, kind of gather these up in a messy way and then eventually set that on top. So I think with 2 minutes of practice, you'll see that you can easily keep track of that top card, because it almost doesn't want to leave your finger there. Okay, and there it is again. Okay, and then you just gather them up, and then from there, everything is self-working. Okay, because when you then deal out into 2 piles, you remember that? I dealt out into 2 piles, ace is down here, and I said stack the larger pile, left pile on top of the right. What it does is it puts the ace in the middle position of this packet of 11. Okay, so you have 5 below, 5 above. Okay, maybe I'll do it like that. And then from there, what we're doing is we're using the principle of OverCOATing, which just means spell out words that have 6 letters or more, because we need to reach the ace, which is the 6th card from the top. Dropping the rest on top. The middle card is a fixed point. It will just stay there through all of that. And all of the days of the week have 6 or more letters in their names. And then you can spell out those names as many times as you like. It won't hurt anything. The ace just stays in the middle. The others are actually moving around genuinely, but the ace is a fixed point. And then from there, the secret is the middle position for a packet of 11 cards is the lone survivor position for the down under shuffle. Okay, so this down under, which I sold, is no, maybe, no, maybe, no, maybe, and so forth. The middle card is the lone survivor for that, so it will always be brought to the top. Okay, well, that's the secret. It's easy to perform and it's guaranteed to work. So I encourage you to try this out and also take a look at other videos on the Absolute Math Magic channel.